Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change theme in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Vivaldi browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Under Vivaldi settings, select this one themes option in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find several themes. Select a theme of your choice to apply in the Vivaldi browser. In case you don't love this one predefined themes, you can click on this one get more themes button. Here you can find several themes and it is divided into several sections. Select a theme of your choice. Then click on this one download theme button. Once theme will be downloaded, you will be prompted to install. Click on this one install button. Now the particular theme will be applied to your Vivaldi browser.